right, so we make a fun stop, and this one is called Name the Song by its instrumental. Yay! Nev and I are going to listen as the instrumental is played, and pretty much the first to grab the mic and start singing the correct song wins. We could have did use a real props mic though to land this funding.
Why are you grabbing the mic? No, we don't want. But this is what I want to use. Run the instrumental.
No, today.
You're such an idiot.
It's true.
Sing the.
The day is gone. I'm still all alone. How could this be? You're not here with me. Never say goodbye. Someone tell me why. Did you have to go? Leave my world so cold. Thank you. I'll be here all week. Oh, I know it. It's the same song.
I'm still all alone.
You're such an idiot.
How could this be? You're not here
All right.
with me.
Then we don't get that already,
Next
man.
tune. Haru. Ready or not? Oh, ready or not? Here I come. You can't hide. Gotta find Idori Shan and make Idori Shan. Oh no, ready or not? Here I come. We don't win already though. Pull up. Gonna find you.
I don't know the lyrics.
Now that oh.
You don't know the lyrics here. You don't know the
Yes,
lyrics
I
here.
do.
You don't.
But it was when I was younger.
You don't know it. So she have me too love.
Run away.
Oh, Karine not in there, so I might win today.
Man, you're bitter. Next tune. I think Fuji's don't know. Come, only give never one. You don't have a 1973 tune. Or 65. There is someone in the building.
How much my cap?
Come. Here. Go on. What happened? Don't cry.
They never want me
What
done.
happened?
They never want me done, Mary.
Why so like he's crying?
And that's the man name. The man don't name Ham Pond here.
Yes.
It's not Ham Pond the man name. So, please to take out the P out of the
This is
man.
a cover. The new artist.
What's that? Regine.
Come down there, here. Go on, sing
Yes,
it
I'm
out.
going.
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Well,
Oh, I miss those days. I miss
remember
those days.
we used to walk away. Those were the days.
Me just like a get that one in. Go on.
Oh, wait, is this love? Oh, wait, yeah, me
Could you
got.
be love? You're a bad man. Could you be love? It's your tune.
And be loved.
Don't let them fool you.
Don't let them fool you. That's all.
Go on.
I even try to
School you.
school you.
Jesus. I'm really trying here, but Bobby's your guy.
But yeah, but I know the song. I do have to can sing it. There you go. Could you be loved and be loved? Boom, 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 boom. Aye. Different titles.
Yeah.
School, yo.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
no.
Wait. I wait the next one, right? The next line. What is it?
All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies.
This is Beyonce. So I know it was Beyonce. I must sing Single Ladies.
Now put your hands up.
This look like it's a Ajay Bones type of tune.
No.
All the single ladies, all the single
What's that,
ladies,
Aggie?
all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single
Where's the
ladies,
video?
all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Now put your hands up in the club, just
Land of the pan. Land of the pan. No,
decided to
Hey.
dip and now you want a trip 'cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him, he up on me, don't pay him any attention. Just crying my tears, get 3 good years, he can't be mad at me.
Stop. So why I can't just tell you this without singing it? Because I cannot sing and I don't know the lyrics.
Because the rules of the
But she
song
can
say-
sing and she know the lyrics, so I'm not biased to
Did you hear that
her.
condition that I started with?
But you know it.
Okay. All right. You finished? You feel like it? Good. One more? You finished?
It's another kid.
Me like the dancer, then bring the shoulder.
What's
What's
that,
up?
RJ?
How that dancer go? The shoulder thing.
Playing.
What is this?
This is not
but
Ajay.
what is the song? What is the song?
It don't sound like Gully Creep of beats for a minute, but it's not good. Is your song this Unique? Me now, me no song. Time for Bobby
They told me
show.
this morning for Smile Jamaica. And as I start, them stop the rhythm. Boy, me I tell
rate you,
me
Virgin.
me never say nothing. say
Don't
nothing.
rate you.
Beanie Man, that. That's Beanie
It's
Man.
a little too early.
That is Beanie
You ain't
Man.
gonna get me fired. No. Sure is being it. You can't
Simmer. I know it's not that.
This is not a morning show.
Simmer.
Welcome to King
I
of the
just did.
Dancehall.
Yeah.
I don't think we should play this one.
Yeah, but it's plain.
No, but not this.
So I could find some lyrics for it.
No.
King of the Dance.
We can't.
We're not supposed to show it either, please.
It's not really a morning video. Thank you.
Nearly lock up everybody here.
Is there another one?
Hopefully not. That's it, right? Yeah.
It's our turns too.
All right, folks. Thank you for coming this morning. Remember to come back later on for more music.
We're leaving on the next breakout,
We're going to show some workplace wardrobe rules.
but we're catching back.
Yeah, catching is a good word,
Don't go nowhere.
because we soon come.